AI isn't coming for jobs someday. It's already happening. Right now, companies are quietly replacing tasks, roles, and entire workflows with AI, and most people don't even realize it. Not because it's hidden, but because it doesn't look like what we expected. This isn't robots taking over factories. It's something much harder to see. For years, automation followed a simple pattern. Machines replaced physical labor in factories, warehouses, and manufacturing. That was the first wave. But what's happening now is completely different. AI isn't replacing hands. It's replacing thinking. It's writing emails, analyzing data, designing visuals, and even making decisions. And unlike previous waves of automation, this one is happening across almost every industry at the same time, which is why it feels subtle, but the impact is massive. The most important thing to understand is this: AI doesn't replace jobs all at once. It replaces tasks, small ones at first, like writing a report, summarizing a meeting, or answering customer questions. Individually, these seem insignificant, but when you add them up, they make up a large part of many jobs. And once enough of those tasks are automated, the role itself starts to change, or disappear entirely. We're already seeing this in areas like customer support, where AI can now handle thousands of conversations at once, or marketing, where content that used to take days can now be generated in minutes, or software development, where AI tools can write, debug, and explain code. Not perfectly, but well enough to reduce the need for large teams. This is how the shift begins: quietly, gradually, and then all at once. This isn't theoretical, it's already happening. Companies are using AI to reduce hiring, to speed up production, to automate internal workflows. Instead of hiring more employees, they're investing in tools. One person with AI can now do the work of several. Here's what that actually looks like. A small business used to need a writer, a designer, and someone to manage content. Now, one person can do all three. They can generate ideas, create visuals, write copy, and publish, all with AI tools. And this isn't rare anymore. It's becoming the default, not because they're working harder, but because the system is doing more. And this creates a new kind of efficiency, one that doesn't scale with people, but with technology, which changes how businesses think about growth. Instead of building teams, they build systems. And once those systems are in place, they don't need to expand the same way they used to. The reason this is moving so fast comes down to one thing: improvement speed. AI models are getting better at an exponential rate. What wasn't possible a year ago is now common. And what feels advanced today will feel basic very soon. This creates a feedback loop. Better AI leads to more adoption. More adoption leads to more data. More data leads to better AI, and the cycle continues. At the same time, these tools are becoming easier to use. You don't need technical skills. You don't need coding knowledge. All you need is the ability to describe what you want, which means millions of people can now use AI effectively, and that accelerates everything. And the reason most people don't notice this shift is because it doesn't look dramatic. No one is announcing that jobs are disappearing. There's no clear moment where everything changes. It happens quietly, one task at a time, one tool at a time, until suddenly, the way things used to work is gone. And for a while, it will look like nothing is changing. People will still go to work, still do their jobs, still follow the same routines. But underneath all of that, the systems are shifting. And once that shift is complete, there's no going back. What does this actually mean for the future? It doesn't mean all jobs disappear, but it does mean many jobs change. The value shifts, from doing tasks to directing systems, from executing to deciding. People who learn how to use AI effectively become significantly more productive, and those who don't risk being replaced by those who do. This isn't about intelligence, it's about adaptation. The tools are available to almost everyone, but not everyone will use them the same way, and that creates a gap, one that will likely grow over time. So the real question isn't whether AI will replace jobs. It's already happening. The real question is, where do you fit into this shift? Are you using these tools or being affected by them? Because the people who learn to work with AI won't just keep up, they'll move ahead. And the ones who don't may not even realize what's happening until it's already changed everything.